What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be telling you what to do if your Xempire application is not booting up. For that, the process is very simple. All you have to do is to make sure that your internet connection is stable and you have a proper internet connection. Recheck it using the Wi-Fi router. And if the connection is proper and if still the Xempire still doesn't boot up, then there must be a heavy traffic on the server and this might be a server issue. Many of you guys is asking that is Xempire a scam or something else. So it's completely legit, it's authentic and it's happening. The airdrop is coming out. So just be patient and stick to the Xempire. Just wait for a few seconds and reload your game. That would do it because the server sometimes gets a lot of traffic and it's get really hard to maintain all of the traffic at once. So that's pretty much it. Bye bye.